Howdy, folks. Have you noticed a bunch of your hair strands on your pillow or in your shower drain lately? Have you started to notice that your hairline's receding? I will give you 10 tips to naturally regrow your hair. But first, let's welcome you to Bestie Hannah channel, a cool channel to get awesome relationship advice, tell you about the latest and greatest tips and hacks that will save you hours of work, give health advice that will keep you healthy and active, and create inspirational videos to help you succeed in life and in love. It's Hannah here, your favorite medical YouTuber, and today we're going to talk about tips to naturally regrow your hair. It may astound you to learn the extent of my knowledge given my youthful appearance. Allow me to clarify, I hail from a far-off planet, and despite being over 400 years old, I possess extensive information about humanity. Just kidding, ha ha ha. Let me introduce you to my friend Fluffy. Say hi, Fluffy.
Hi, folks.
He has trouble with his hair. It's falling out and making him feel sad. I wanted to help, so I called on my friend Baby Dino and we did some research. We made some recipes to make his hair healthy again. But first and foremost, it's important to understand the cause of hair loss. There can be many reasons for hair loss, including genetics, stress, hormonal changes, and certain medical conditions. In order to find the best remedy, it's essential to identify the root cause of the problem. One of the things that we found helpful was making dietary changes. A diet that is rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, iron, and biotin can help promote healthy hair growth. Also, make sure you're getting enough protein in your diet as well, as protein is essential for hair growth. Now here are the recipes.
Let me pass them on, please. Recipe number 1. An egg and olive oil hair mask. Whisk 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of olive oil together in a bowl. Then massage into your hair and scalp. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then wash it out with warm water and a gentle shampoo. Recipe number 2. An avocado and honey hair mask. Mash 1 ripe avocado and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse it out with warm water and a gentle shampoo. Recipe number 3. An aloe vera and coconut oil hair mask. Mix together 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse it out with warm water and a gentle shampoo. Recipe number 4. A fenugreek and yogurt hair mask. Soak 1/4 cup of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. In the morning, grind the seeds into a fine paste and mix with 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse it out with warm water and a gentle shampoo. Recipe number 5. A castor oil and vitamin E hair mask. Mix together 2 tablespoons of castor oil and 2 to 3 capsules of vitamin E oil. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse it out with warm water and a gentle shampoo. Recipe number 6. A rosemary and peppermint oil hair mask. Mix together 5 drops of rosemary oil and 5 drops of peppermint oil in 1/4 cup of carrier oil, such as coconut oil. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse it out with warm water and a gentle shampoo. Recipe number 7. Onion juice. Blend 2 onions. Filter the juice using a cheesecloth, making sure no onion chunks are left. Give your scalp a good massage with the onion juice in circular motions. Let it sit for an hour. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo to get rid of that pungent smell. Try this once a week for the best results.
If you're tired of hair loss and looking for ways to regrow your hair naturally, look no further, as I have 10 tips to help you do just that, like I did with Fluffy.
Tip number 1. Focus on a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet that is rich in vitamins and minerals, such as biotin, iron, and vitamins C and D, can help to promote hair growth. Make sure to include foods such as leafy greens, nuts, and fatty fish in your diet. Tip number 2. Give your scalp a massage. Scalp massage can increase blood flow to the hair follicles and help to stimulate growth. Use your fingertips to gently massage your scalp for 5-10 minutes a day. Tip number 3. Reduce stress. Stress can be a major cause of hair loss, so it's important to find ways to manage it. This can include practicing relaxation techniques such as yoga or meditation, or simply taking a break and doing something you enjoy. Tip number 4. Avoid heat styling tools. High heat can damage your hair and make it more susceptible to breakage. If you do use heat styling tools, make sure to use a heat protectant and keep the temperature as low as possible. Tip number 5. Avoid tight hairstyles. Tight hairstyles, such as braids and ponytails, can put a lot of tension on your hair and scalp. leading to hair breakage and loss. Instead, opt for looser styles that are gentle on your hair. Tip number 6, get enough sleep. Getting enough rest is essential for overall health, including the health of your hair. Aim for 8 hours of sleep each night to give your hair and body the chance to rejuvenate and grow. Tip number 7, use essential oils. Essential oils such as rosemary, lavender, and peppermint can help to stimulate hair growth and improve scalp health. Simply add a few drops to your shampoo or massage directly into your scalp. Tip number 8, avoid certain hair products. Some hair products, such as those with harsh chemicals or sulfates, can damage your hair and scalp. Look for products that are sulfate-free and free from harsh chemicals. Tip number 9, quit smoking. Smoking can damage the hair follicles and reduce the flow of blood to the scalp, leading to hair loss. Quitting smoking is not only good for your hair, but also for your overall health. Tip number 10, get regular trims. Regular trims can help to keep your hair healthy and prevent split ends, which can lead to breakage and hair loss.
And lastly, if your hair is still falling out a lot, you should talk to a doctor. They can help figure out why it's happening and what you can do to make it better. I hope these tips help my friend and anyone else who's having trouble with their hair. If you have any other ideas, make sure to share them in the comments. That's it for our video on 10 tips to naturally regrow your hair and natural hair growth recipes. I hope you found these tips and recipes helpful in promoting healthy hair growth. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care of your hair and let's grow it back to its fullest and healthiest state naturally.